A picture is worth 1,000 words. A picture is worth 1,000 words. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Welcome to this video tutorial, where we'll explore the meaning behind the famous proverb, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," and learn how to apply this concept to our lives in order to overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the power of visual communication and how to use it to your advantage. First, let's discuss the meaning of the proverb. "A picture is worth 1,000 words" suggests that a single image can convey complex ideas and emotions more effectively than a large amount of text. This is because our brains are wired to process visual information quickly and efficiently, allowing us to grasp the meaning of an image almost instantaneously. In short, a well-chosen picture can communicate more meaning in less time than a lengthy written description. Now that we understand the meaning of the proverb, let's explore how we can apply this concept to our lives. One way we can do this is by using visual aids to help us overcome challenges and achieve our goals. For example, creating a vision board can be an effective way to stay focused on what we want to achieve. By collecting images that represent our goals and aspirations, we can create a powerful visual reminder of what we're working towards. This can help us stay motivated and inspired, even when we encounter difficulties along the way. Another way to apply the power of visual communication to our lives is by using it to improve our problem-solving skills. When faced with a complex problem, it can be helpful to create a visual representation of the situation. This might involve drawing a diagram, creating a flowchart, or even using physical objects to represent different aspects of the problem. By doing this, we can often gain new insights and perspectives, making it easier to identify potential solutions. Visual communication can also help us attract luck and opportunities. By presenting ourselves and our ideas in a visually appealing way, we increase the likelihood that others will be drawn to us and want to collaborate or support our endeavors. This might involve creating an eye-catching resume, designing a visually engaging website, or using compelling images in our social media posts. By putting thought and effort into our visual presentation, we can create a positive impression that attracts success and good fortune. Finally, let's consider how we can use the power of images to enhance our personal growth and well-being. One way to do this is by incorporating visual reminders of our values, beliefs, and positive qualities into our daily lives. For example, we might choose to display inspiring quotes or images that remind us of our strengths and achievements. By surrounding ourselves with visual cues that reinforce our self-worth and potential, we can cultivate a more positive mindset and increase our resilience in the face of life's challenges. In conclusion, the proverb, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," reminds us of the power of visual communication and its ability to convey complex ideas and emotions more effectively than text alone. By applying this concept to our lives, we can harness the power of images to overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Whether it's creating a vision board to stay focused on our goals, using visual problem-solving techniques, presenting ourselves in an appealing way, or surrounding ourselves with positive visual reminders, there are countless ways we can use the power of images to enhance our lives and achieve our full potential. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.